it's Chelsea Silverman here at Juiceteria, your Executive Vice President, your Health Director, and your raw vegan chef. And because of all that, I'm gonna teach you how to make a greenie smoothie. So don't be scared because it has greens in it. It's a great way to get some iron and magnesium and some protein straight from your greens. And we're gonna mask the greens with some fruit, like pineapple and banana. We're gonna use a little bit of raw honey. We're gonna use a little bit of coconut meat, which is really good for you. And for this base, I'm gonna do juiced cucumber, fresh juiced cucumber. You can use coconut water, you can use almond milk, whatever floats your boat, but cucumber water is floating mine right now. So we'll go ahead and place all of our ingredients into our awesome Vitamix here. And we'll start with our cucumber water. I just juiced this like 2 minutes ago, so it's fresh, it's good, it's nutritious. So then we're gonna take our kale and our spinach, and we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna throw this into our blender. It's probably about 2 cups in total of each, so a cup each. Right? Did the math right? I'm just kidding. Okay. Then we'll go ahead and take our pineapple and our banana. So this is really good. It will mask the flavor of the greens, like I said. And pineapple has nice bromelain in it. The banana has nice carbs in it. And then we'll go with our raw honey. I love me some raw honey. Antiseptic, anti-inflammatory. Mwah. We'll take our coconut meat and add that to our nice concoction in our blender. So you can do, I love this stuff, so I'm probably gonna do about a tablespoon. If you're not that into it, do a teaspoon. If you're really not that into it, do a half a teaspoon. Because you really just wanna get this in your body. It's so good for you. And then lastly, I'm gonna blend this up with some ice. So we're gonna go ahead and blend this up. I'm so excited. So the higher the speed, the more you'll crush up the kale and the spinach, so you won't even know it's there except from the green color. And now we're ready for our greenie smoothie. So, it smells just like pineapple. What do you know? Ooh, and that looks so good. And I am super thirsty right now. So, I'm not even gonna wait for you guys to try it. I'm just gonna go ahead. Thank you. So good. You so have to make this at home. If you don't, I don't know, you won't be the happiest girl ever or have the best day ever. So here you go. Cheers to your health and have the sweetest day and the best day.